Hello everyone, today we are doing the unboxing for DJI Osmo Nano. It's a pretty compact camera, comes with two different things that you can attach and make it a one, or you can preview your video in here in a smaller one and keep it this one on the other side. It comes in two variant sizes, 128 and 64 I think, and I bought a 128 gigabits. The price difference in Canada was only for $20-30 when I bought it in summers of 2026. So they say it has 200 minutes of extended battery, but if you're using only the camera module right here, it gives you 90 minutes of video. And if you look at the bottom, as I told you, you can have a remote view, and it also have another microphone connectivities. If you buy a DJI mini mics, you can like very easily attach it. This is it. There are some other things that you get with the box: the camera itself, a multifunction dock, a protective case, that's really good, and a magnetic head clip, I'll show you in the video later on, a magnetic lanyard, and a dual direction magnetic ball joint adapter, which you can use it with some other ones, and a cable and some document. I have done a one mistake, but you don't need to do that because I have all done it. I bought a wrong GoPro shorty. It won't fit there because it have a dual point compared to this one, because this works on a single point right here, if you can see. So this is a waste. I have to return it back to the Best Buy. Let's do the unboxing, see how it opens. Oh, did it work? I have a knife with me. Yeah, I did something. So I have to do it from this side too. Sure, what side it is. Oh, there we go. So when we open it, let's see what you get right in here. Oh my god, it feels sketchy to me. I'm not sure what side to open. I can see it coming out. Whoa, maybe open it from the wrong side. Maybe a sticker. Looks like a sticker you got in there, and just a DJI foam. These are the two camera modules that you get with it. And right here, this is the camera right here. Let's keep it on the side for now and look into some other things that you get with it. I know some people doesn't know that, but the DJI is a Chinese company, but they really make a good things these days. I think this is a, oh my god, I know what this is. This is to get your POV shots. This is the one with the suction. You put it anywhere and bang, there your shot is ready. Oops. So this is the one thing you get with it. Let's put everything aside from here. I gotta keep this one here. And this is the second thing, a cable. Keep your cable here, and you get a Type-C cable. I hope this is a fast cable, not really like a slower one. Come on. And this is a lanyard. That's what I guessed here. So if you need to take some POVs, and you can just put it under your shirt, and this will help you to get a POV. The one thing, oh, there is, that's what I really thought, like it doesn't have this one. But what I'm trying to say here, if you want like a really close-up shot to your neck, you can take it that way. If you want to put in your pet's neck, you can do it that way. So this is the third thing you get in it. There we go. What is this? Oh. Oh my god, this is the protective case you get with it. I really like it. This is the fourth thing. This is the bonus things you get with it. It's not normal to get these many things with a one pack. Let's see what's the last thing we got here. Okay, so this is your clip for your hat. So you can put your clip on your hat and you can attach your camera, I think, onto this. Yeah, see, like this, and there you go. So these are all things you get. Let me just see it once again so that I didn't miss anything in here. You got a camera, you got a camera here, and after camera you got a multifunction, you got a multifunction viewing dock here, protective lens right here, magnetic hat clip right here, a lanyard right here, dual direction, oh yeah, right here, there it is. You can just hang it anywhere. If you want to take your close-up car shots, you can do with this one. And this is all you got. Let's move to the cameras and see the beauty right here. So this is your main camera. It looks like it has a transparent body in front. If you can look into it, there's a protective lens on it, and this is it. So let's see what we get on the other side. Okay, so this is not waterproof, but this is, so you can only take this one underwater. So this is waterproof and this is not waterproof. You can read it right here. Do not use this multifunctional vision dock underwater. The vision dock supports splash resistant when attached to a camera. So only this is waterproof, like fully, until 10 meters. Let's attach them and see how they work. Let's remove the, just get it. I think this is a good one. Let me check my location. I'll just move outside. It's a better view over there. So here we came outside here with a really nice view here. Let me just make the camera bigger for you. Let's enjoy the views. Here we go. I have attached it. Let's try to remove this one. There we go. Comes in Chinese first. Let's remove the lens. You can buy anti-filters online if you want. They're good options. So let me see the screen, how far the screen is. Oh wait, the screen is really good. It is giving you some camera button, multi-vision. So yeah, the screen is pretty good right here. Oh, so yeah, I talked to one of my friends. He told me about this one. So as you can see right here, you get a one SD card reader which is not compatible with any Insta Pro or GoPro things, Insta 360 or GoPro things, and you got a the charger right there. You can just close it again. Yeah, done. Wow, looks nice here. Let's see what we can do with this one. Swipe. So you can record. This is the resolution you can get: 1080p, 4K. The frame, the maximum you can do is 4K and 50 frames per second. Being recommended is 25. Let's see what else. These are some things that I will figure out after some time. Oh, there are other things in here. So the storage you get with it is 100 GB, which is a lot if you're just starting with it. These are the things. Okay. This is the very first video I'm recording out of this one.